Good morning, everybody. Jonathan Dykes again with Renew Crew Softwash. Today, Renew Crew is in Seminary, Mississippi. We're about to do a house wash and some concrete cleaning. One of our real estate investors has reached out to us, come take care of one of his projects. So that's exactly what we're about to do. You, someone else you know that has some rental property, real estate property that you would like to get on an annual maintenance plan with us, give us a call, 601-248-9905. We would love to work with you and get you set up on a contract. So that being said, let's get this job started. Come along for the ride.